How to make a Trello Workspace private. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you want to keep your workspace visible only to selected members, making your Trello Workspace private is a smart move. First of all, open up Trello application or website and log into your account. Once you're logged into the homepage or the Boards tab of Trello, go ahead and click on one of your workspace you want to make private. Under your workspace, choose one of your workspaces. Now once you're inside your workspace, click on the gear button at the bottom center. Once you're in the board menu, go to the top right corner and tap the three dots to bring in this board settings page. From the board settings page, scroll down and tap on visibility. Now select the Members and Observers button at the top of the screen and you'll be able to set your workspace's visibility to private. Once you are done, you can head back to your board and now only people you invite can see the workspace. Your boards and content will stay secure. There will be no public access whatsoever. And that's it. You've made your Trello Workspace private. Now you can manage your projects with peace of mind, knowing your information is safe and visible only to the right people. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.